there, this is Charvet, and this is actually my first time posting a video in YouTube. And so you can find me in my Facebook blog named Charvet Self-Care Routine. So, why self-care routine? Haven't you wondered? Because it's not just about skincare routine, it's about taking care of yourself overall. So I'm just going to share all my knowledge and all my ideas about how I took care or I take care of myself. Okay, so let's start for the um let's start for the let's start for the air conditioner. Oh, hi there. I'm sorry. I I was hungry and thank you Pineapple Head for correcting my mistakes. Actually my blog is Charvet Self-Care Routine. Don't forget that. See ya.